Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Starman's Garden Part 2. As you can see, we've now got some nice tomato plants coming, and we've our first truss on there. Really good trunk on these, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll let them grow to the top of the cane, which is about 3.5 feet, and I'll nip the top out. Here's what you do not want. As you can see, that's slug damage. I can see the slime on the back of the plant there, so unfortunately I had to treat that with slug pellets. I will be cutting the leaves off. If it doesn't grow, it's just a spare anyway. Again, another tomato plant that was sown approximately 4 to 5 weeks later than those. You can see our lettuces are doing very well now with this addition to the heat. And again, our cucumbers, which were sowed about 2 to 3 weeks later than the ones outside. Again, tomato plants. And again, we've got some bush beans growing here that need taking out the pots by the look of them and repotting into bigger pots. However, they are doing very well. Go outside now and have a look at the cabbages. As you can see, pretty healthy, no damage on those whatsoever. And also our lettuces are doing very well. So let's go and have a look at Cucumber Alley. As you can see, there's nice 2 tomatoes. 2 cucumbers. I do apologise, they're ready to go up the trellis here now. Be about another week or so before they start climbing up there. And let's take a look, see if we've got any decent radishes coming along. And indeed you can see we've got an abundance of radishes there coming through, all fed on chicken manure. Again, we've got some brassicas coming up very nicely, and our mint, which is very, very nice. And the smells absolutely beautiful. And the main ingredient that my brother's just bought me is my cup of coffee. We're going to have a look at the beans here. As we can see, they've started going up the poles. Doing very well. Once they reach here about 8 foot, we'll be cutting them off. Shrubbery's doing very, very well indeed. I do feed these as well, ladies and gentlemen. You must feed all your bushes if you put them in pots, as they can't get the sustenance out of the soil. We've got our dwarf beans doing very, very well. Our lettuce, and again some tomatoes that I put outside just to test the ambient temperature. I know we had a couple of frosts not long ago, which, fortunate for me, it hasn't attacked them. Move along again to some more cabbages there, and behind the netting we've got some more bush beans. See, the strawberries now have got some nice flowers on, and indeed start of some fruit coming here, and they are doing very, very well with new growth coming off each plant. And again, our net covering our brassicas. Cats are a terrible problem here, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, we're doing very, very well. Producing decent crop at the moment. We're already eating the radishes. They've only been in the ground about 6 weeks. As I say before, the key is feed, feed, feed. Especially with the tomatoes. We'll just start seeing the first truss. And in fact, there's 2 trusses on there. What I like to do, ladies and gentlemen, is take the shoots out, which promotes the growth upwards. Obviously if you want a bush tomato, you leave the side shoots in, but I like to clip them out so it enhances the growth upwards. So that covers it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone's well. As always, get in the garden, start growing your own food. We all know what's coming around the corner with the Grand Solar Minimum. It's essential just to start taking up these skills now, adapting, learning, and I'll cut off just as my brother starts cutting the grass. So have a good day everybody, until next time, that's the Starman out.